PDP President Mehbooba Mufti on Saturday welcomed the release of her uncle and senior party leader Sartaj Madni from a 6-month-long preventive detention and said it is high time all political prisoners and other detainees be let go by the centre. The BJP government in Uttar Pradesh conducted a mock drill of an inquiry, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said on Saturday after clean chit was given to an Agra hospital where 22 patients and died after oxygen supply was allegedly cut during a drill. Former Union Minister Jitin Prasad, who recently switched from the Congress to the BJP on Saturday, met Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and said that they discussed issues related to strengthening the organization. The centre on Saturday extended an invitation to National Conference Chief Farooq Abdullah, PDP President Mehbooba Mufti and other top political leaders of Jammu and Kashmir for a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on June 24. Tropical storm Claudette dumped heavy rain across the US Gulf Coast from Louisiana to Florida as it plugged inland on Saturday, triggering flash floods and tornado warnings along its soggy course across the southeast. Warning the state and union terrorists that any attack on doctors and medical staff could lower their morale and adversely affected the healthcare response system. The Home Ministry on Saturday said institutional FIR should be filed against those who threaten or assault healthcare professionals. On Saturday, Punjab University remembered the legendary flying Sikh Milkha Singh who passed away on June 18 at PGIMER Chandigarh after COVID-related complications. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval will participate in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization meet next week in Dushanbe. Russia President Vladimir Putin on Saturday congratulated hardline Iranian judge Ibrahim Raisi on winning Iran's presidential election. RIA news agency cited a press officer at the Russian embassy in Tehran as saying, "This photo of Alia Bhatt is what Dream has made of." The actress treated fans to a gorgeous photo of herself from a recent calendar photo shoot. The beauty gave off major boho chick vibes as she casually posed for the clip is a flowy summer dress and wind-swept hair.